Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the Promass EPS mold with interchangeable through-hole corner inserts. This is a mold we manufactured for a Promass molding machine. The mold core is produced using the sand casting process. According to the customer's requirements, we designed interchangeable corner inserts with through-hole and non-through-hole configurations at all 4 corners of the mold. When a change is required, simply remove the fixing screws and replace the insert with either the through-hole or non-through-hole version for a quick conversion. These are the mold clamping pull rods supplied with the mold. Each set is provided according to the customer's requirements before shipment. This is the through-hole insert, and this is the non-through-hole insert. The standard material is aluminum alloy, while copper or stainless steel inserts can also be customized upon request. With this interchangeable design, there is no need to remanufacture the entire mold. Customers can quickly switch between through-hole and non-through-hole configurations to suit different products, improving mold versatility while reducing long-term operating costs.